Hello everyone. Today I am making Chakho, a Goan tender jackfruit dish. I don't have access to fresh tender jackfruit, so I'll be using frozen fresh, but the recipe is good for fresh as well. I will be using 2 packets of fresh frozen tender jack. Each packet is about 400 grams. So I'll be using 2 of them, which should be good for about 4 to 5 people. Let me show you how it looks like. And of course, this is not any kind of brand endorsement, but just something that we love. One thing that I would like to mention here is that I have thawed this on the countertop for about 3 hours. So this is at room temperature. Look, this is actually all prepared, just has a few extra large pieces which I'm going to cut into smaller ones. Also, another thing is that this kind of tender jack, the frozen one, has turmeric on it. I'm just going to go ahead, cut it first, and then give it a good wash so that it is ready for the cooking. To speed up the cooking process, I'm going to pressure cook it for about 1 whistle, along with 3 green chilies and a handful of green vatanas which I had soaked for about 3 hours. Add about a teaspoon of salt and then add about a little less than half a cup of water. Let the pressure drop naturally. If you are using fresh tender jack, it may require about 2 whistles. Check if the tender jackfruit is properly cooked. We are also going to make sure that the vatana is cooked. I have soaked it only for 3 hours because I wanted to cook the jackfruit and the vatana together and I didn't want the chana to become a mush. See, this is perfectly cooked now. We are going to give the tadka now. Heat some oil over medium flame and add about 1/4 teaspoon of hing and then 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Now add the cooked tender jackfruit. Add half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Also add about 1.5 teaspoon of jaggery. Also add some freshly ground black pepper. This gives it a very good aroma. Something that my mom always used in tender jackfruit. Give it a good mix until everything is heated up properly. Switch off the flame. The tender jackfruit is now ready. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.